Maps are very useful for big data analytics. So they are a powerful device to locate your customers, and that can help you figure out their socioeconomic makeup. So say you have address of your customers. So once you have the address of your customers, then you can go to Zillow and you can find their house prices. So these house prices will help you determine their socioeconomic makeup. So, and addresses you can get from their credit cards. So there are two things we need to make maps. So number one is coordinates of the location. So this location is the address of the customer. So coordinates of the location in terms of longitude and latitude. So you will get the coordinates in terms of longitude and latitude. And once you have this, then you can put them on a map. So step one is you find the longitude and latitude of your address. Step two is you get the map on which you will plot these coordinates. So map on which these coordinates will be represented or plotted. So this is step two. So let us now do this in R. So you require two packages here, ggmap and ggplot2. If you do not have these packages, you can install them. Options warning -1 means that we are just going to get rid of all the options which come in. So we have three addresses here, A1, A2 and A3. A1 is Flatiron Coffee, 2721 Arapahoe Avenue, Boulder, Colorado, 80302. A2 is Pico Sip House, 2500, again in Boulder, Colorado, 80301. And then A3 is also a coffee shop in Boulder, Colorado. So you have three addresses right here. Now Boulder, Colorado is a very beautiful town. So the command which can help you get the longitude and latitude is geocode. So geocode of A1 means that you're taking this address A1 and you're finding its longitude and latitude. So geocode A1, this will get you longitude and latitude from Google Maps. Now this command is kind of difficult to use if you have a large data. So here you only have three addresses, but I presume that if you really want to use it for big data analytics, this addresses could run in thousands. So we will slightly modify this geocode command, and that is modified in this file. I have posted this file here. This is the address of the file. This is the name of the file, coordinates.txt. This basically just takes this geocode command and slightly modifies it. So instead of geocode, I have redefined geocode as coords, and that is what we will use. So this coords will help me get longitude and latitude out separately because I need them in a data frame, as we will see in a minute. So first is you make this array of addresses. So you have all these addresses A1, A2 and A3. So A1, A2, A3 are made an array right here. Then you have latitude. You find latitude of these addresses. So I take this address right here. Address $lat means that will give you latitude, and coordinates is the function to get the latitude. Similarly, you can get longitude, coordinates, address, longitude. And I'm going to make a data frame now with address, this right here. Then you have this latitude is right here, and then we have this longitude which comes right here. So we make a data frame, and then I will print the data frame. So now we have this. We have the three addresses. This address comes right here. This A2 comes right here. This A3 comes right here, and along with it we get the latitude. This thing comes right here, and the longitude which comes from here. So you have a nice data frame. So we did all the modification here so that we can get a nice data frame like this. So now we have, for the addresses, we have the coordinates. So step one is done. Now we come to step two. We will get the map of Boulder, Colorado, and then we will plot these coffee shops in it. Now let us get the map of the city. The city is Boulder, Colorado. You get the map, get map, location is our city right here. You define here. Zoom is 13. If you increase the zoom, you will get you will zoom onto the buildings and the streets. So you can increase the zoom if you want to. I'm taking zoom as 13. Map type is terrain. So this is coming from Google Maps. So you can use other kind of Google Maps also. So Google Map will also give you hybrid map. It will give you a satellite map. It will give you a street map. So you can use whatever map type you want right here. So now you make a GG map out of this map right here. So this P1 is nothing but an object which will hold the map of Boulder, Colorado. So this P1 is map of Boulder, Colorado. So once you have this map, everything is easy. So you have this map P1, you have the underlying map P1. Now on this map you add the coordinates of your address. So you add this geometric points. Your data is the data frame DF we made just now, and then the X coordinate is the longitude, Y coordinate is the latitude. Color is red. As you can see, the color is red. This is the size of the dot. So if you want bigger bubbles here, you can make it bigger. If you want it smaller, you can make it smaller. So this is size of the circle here, and this is the intensity. If you want to make it more red, if you make it say 0.7, this will become darker red. So this will become more dark than it currently is. And now you can clearly see that we have been able to plot our coffee shops. And that is it. So that is how you can plot plot different coordinates on this on the city.